Welcome to Iba in Zambales and welcome to Ancho on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The Itas are considered the earliest inhabitants of Zambales. The Itas are believed to have been living in Zambales for thousands of years, adapting to the mountainous and forested terrain. The pre-colonial communities in Zambales engage in a variety of economic activities suited to their environment. The Itas, for instance, practice hunting and gathering as their primary means of subsistence. They relied on the rich biodiversity of the region, hunting wild animals and gathering fruits, roots, and other edible plants. The inhabitants of Zambales, being part of a larger network of islands in the Philippines, have engaged in trade and interaction with neighboring regions. Coastal communities engage in maritime trade, exchanging goods and cultural influences with nearby areas. Like many indigenous peoples in the Philippines, the Itas of Zambales had their own spiritual beliefs and practices. These often revolve animism, where natural elements such as mountains, rivers, and trees were considered sacred. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to appease spirits and seek their protection. Pre-colonial societies in Zambales were organized into small, kinship-based communities. Social structures were influenced by factors such as geography, resource availability, and intergroup relationships. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Zambales. The Spanish colonization brought about changes in governance, culture, and religion that had lasting impacts on the indigenous peoples of the region. Despite this, the Ita communities and their cultural heritage persist in Zambales, providing a glimpse into the pre-colonial history that shaped the province. The roots of the present-day Iba can be traced to the year 1611 when it was established by an Augustinian Recollect priest in the village of Painawen. Originally inhabited by the Zambales, the community later saw an influx of migrating Ilocanos, leading to a blending of customs and traditions. In the hinterlands, the Itas settled, with a significant population residing in Mount Pinatubo. In 1860, the town's administration transitioned to the Dominican priest until the advent of civil government. While there are no specific records indicating when Painawen became Iba, local beliefs suggest that the name change might have been inspired by the sour fruit called iba, or commonly known as balimbing, abundant in the region. According to a tale passed down through generations, the town got its name after an encounter with Spaniards. When inquiring the place, the Spaniards were misunderstood by the locals, who thought they were asking about their food. As a result, the town came to be known as Iba. Iba assumed the role of the permanent capital of Zambales after Masinloc, thanks to its strategically central location. On August 28, 1901, a historic session of the Second Philippine Commission under American rule, led by Civil Governor William Howard Taft, took place at Iba Roman Catholic Church, officially establishing the province of Zambales. Iba gained global recognition as the birthplace of the late President Ramon Magsaysay Sr., the seventh President of the Philippines.